Hi all, this riff is from the song called 89 Life by Skid Row. To play this progression, we have a C sharp minor chord on the 4th fret. We need to bar. Holding this chord, we got to pluck 5, 2, 3. Then we got to release the 3 fingers from the chord and keep the bar on the 4th fret. We got to pluck 5, 2, 3, 4. Then we got to hammer on from 4 to 6 on the 5th string, keeping that bar. Second, it starts the same way with C sharp minor again. 5, 2, 3, then 5, 2, 3, 4. Then we go 7th fret on the 6th string for the second chord. So next again we start with the same 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go straight. It's like a B slash C sharp. Then we go down to the A sus2 here. 5, 4. Then 3 strings we play. 3, 2, 1 together we strum. So we are just holding like a 4th string 2nd fret and 3rd string 2nd fret. So we pluck 5, 4, 5, 4. Then we strum from 3rd string. Then we gotta come from like a hammer on to the 2nd fret. It's a B5 again. So we go 5 with the hammer on. Then we go 4. Then strum again the 3 strings from the 3rd one. So wait.